Hi everybody, it's Positive Bluebird. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. It is time to recycle and reuse, and let's get organized. I have a really large cabinet, and as you can see, over time it has become a hot mess. So we're going to take everything out and put it on the floor, and we're going to organize them in categories. Is that my crock pot buried in there? So I took the food boxes and I opened them up completely on both ends and flattened them, and then stacked them in a pile and put them in this plastic bag. This foam bag is very large and it came in handy so that I could put in plastic containers and some empty soup cans that I like to use for other projects. I also recycle lids because that's going to be a future project, so stay tuned around the holidays. Sometimes clear plastic bags come in handy for other projects as well. And then these bottles, believe it or not, will be turned into holiday dolls. There you go. We're going to pile them in the bag, and then they will fit nicely under the cabinet. This is a box that my son had a gift in, and I don't remember if it was chocolates, but I'm going to use it. And I'm going to write down on paper my favorite memories of those that have passed away in my life. These sticks come in handy for projects as well. And then a bunch of lids and cardboard spools. Now we're going to stack them in this box underneath the ugly cabinet. I'll have to see if I can put shelf liner down in there. Oh look, I found a flower vase and a recycled bag. Peace out everyone.